Hi, do you know what kind of weed is this? Huh? So let's focus it. That's how the flower is. Okay, and the flower really look like that. And the leaves are like this. That's the berries. The berries will turn into a black in color if it will be ripe. Okay, I've been working in the landscaping business for almost 15 years, and it's only now I find out that this is a poisonous plant. They call it bittersweet nightshade. This. Okay? So if you will see like this, be careful. Okay, all the leaves, the berries are poisonous. Even the leaves and the roots are poisonous. And don't remove it by your hand. Use a glove if you have. Okay? Because it's really very toxic, poisonous plant. Okay? Look. That's the berries. If the berries will be ripe, it's tempting, especially for kids. Okay. So da kayo ay kakailian is ay kakadwak ay gardinero, ilaan nyo, tano, may ilan nyo not garden, adi yun sa ibuyod. Tapos ibuyod yun nalinglingan nyo nan uwasit ta kayo, nangan kayo, inigaman nyo yung lokto ay baon nyo. Yun nan kamot kayo sa baon nyo. Then, kasi man sakit pa din buwang yat yan. Kasi ito kung kanan na pwede mo. But that's the cause. Okay? Thank you so much guys for watching. I do hope to see you again in my next upcoming video. Bye-bye.